In this question, it looks very complex, but it's not that complex. There's a few things that we have to remember. Uh, Solve what you can first. That's the key. I can't solve some things because I don't have enough information. So I look for the things that I can solve. What do I have enough information to solve? And the first thing I notice is that down here, m is part of uh, this dividing of a straight line. So on the very bottom, you can see there is a straight line, and it's been divided into two parts. One of the parts is m, and one of the parts is 63. So I know that a straight line is equal to 180 degrees, so that means m plus 63 is equal to 180. That's my first thing that I see that I can solve. So then I go through the motions of solving for m. So I've got to get rid of that 63 because I want to get the m all alone. So I subtract 63 and I get 0. I do the same thing to both sides, and 180 minus 63 is 117. So I end up with the answer m is equal to 117. That's the first step that I have to get done. Now that I know what m is equal to, I can solve for n. Alright, so that step 4, down to step 3. Step 3, I know that the three angles of the triangle, when you add them all together, you get 180. So that means m plus n plus 34 will equal 180. And I write that out. And then part 4, I fill in all my numbers that I know. I know that m is 117. I have one angle that's 34, and I don't know what n is, but when you add them all together, you get 180. So I add together 117 and 134, and I'll get 151 plus n is equal to 180. And now I want to get the n all by itself, so I go to step 5. I subtract 151 from both sides, and my final answer will end up being n equals 29. Now I've figured out both of the missing variables.